Hello students, in today's class we are going to discuss homogeneous differential equation. Before starting homogeneous differential equation, we'll understand what is an homogeneous function. I have taken four functions and with the four examples of these four functions, we'll be checking when the function will be homogeneous and when the function is not homogeneous. What we'll do in every function, we'll replace x by lambda x and y by lambda y. So the first function we have f1 lambda x comma lambda y square y के प्लेस पे lambda y, so this is lambda square x square plus 2 lambda x into lambda y. So when you will take lambda square common, you will have x square plus 2xy, which is same as lambda square f1 x comma y. Now second example, f2 x comma y will be 2 lambda x minus 3 lambda y. So it will be lambda times 2x minus 3y. This is lambda times f2 x comma y. Now third is f3 lambda x comma lambda y equal to cos of lambda x upon lambda y. Lambda से lambda cancel, we can say lambda की power 0 f3 x comma y. In the fourth, f4 lambda x comma lambda y is equal to sin lambda x plus sin lambda y. This is not equal to lambda की power n f4 x comma y. Now just pay attention in all the four examples. In first example, it is in the form of lambda की power n into the same function. Second is also lambda की power n into the same function, and third is also. But the fourth function cannot be written in the form of lambda की power n into x comma f of x comma y. So whenever we cannot express in the form of lambda की power n into f of x comma y by replacing x by lambda x and y by lambda y, function is not homogeneous. If we can write in the form lambda की power x, lambda की power n, f of x comma y, we can say it is a homogeneous function. Now how it relates with our function, our differential equation. In our differential equation, we will have dy by dx, so we will replace dy by dx by the function, and whatever be the right hand side, we will check first it is homogeneous or not, and after checking it is homogeneous, we will do some steps that will be discussing. So after checking a differential equation is a homogeneous equation, we'll do some steps to solve the question. What are the steps that we'll be doing? That we are going to discuss. One more thing, as I have already told, our differential equation will be in the form of lambda की power n f of x comma y. So this n denotes the order of the differential equation. If n is 1, the order of homogeneous equation is 1. N is 2, order is 2. In our syllabus, we are having the differential equation of order 0 only. Means हम 0 order की differential equation ही solve करेंगे. Now how we are solving it? Just pay attention here. What we will be doing in every question, we will be putting y equal to vx. This is from y by x equal to v. Then where v is a function of x, v is a function of x, we will differentiate both sides. dy by dx equal to first function differentiation of second plus second function differentiation of first. So we have dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx. After putting these two things in the differential equation, equation will be in the form variables are certain. Always. Or you can also do putting x equal to vy. ये भी कर सकते हैं आप, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. X equal to vy. Then you will differentiate with respect to y. is equal to v plus y dv by dy. So any of the two substitution you do in the equation and solve it, equation will be in the form of variables or of separable type. One more thing to identify easily is whenever you will have cos of y by x, then e to the power y by x, you can say tan inverse x by y means इस cos sin e to the power में x by y या y by x है आपका, तो आप देखना हमेशा होमोजेनियस होगा, आप डायरेक्टली पहचान जाएंगे। बिकॉज क्वेश्चन में हमें लिखा नहीं होगा कि फंक्शन किस वैरायटी का है, तो वी नीड टू चेक इट इज होमोजेनियस, सेपरेबल और लीनियर। The first question that is asked in 2018 of 4 marks that we are going to discuss. As I have already told, you can easily check function is homogeneous or not. One more way by which you can check it is this. Just take the terms. The first term is x, power is what 2. तो first term में power क्या दिख रहा है आपको? 2 दिख रहा है। Second में power 2. Here 1 and 1 2. तो हर एक function हर एक term के साथ power 2 है, तो you can directly identify it is a homogeneous differential equation. Now what to do in homogeneous differential equation? First find dy by dx. So I can write 2xy dy equal to minus of x square minus y square into dx. So I will take this dy by dx in the denominator. dy by dx equal to minus को अंदर लेता हूँ, y square minus x square upon 2xy. As I have already checked, this is a differential equation, homogeneous differential equation. Here they have not told to check it, so I am not checking it. If you want to check, this is a function. As I have discussed earlier, you can easily check it is homogeneous or not. How to check? Lambda की power n f of x comma y. x को lambda x से replace करेंगे, y को lambda y से. Now putting y equal to vx, then we'll have dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx, where v is a function of x. It should be clear, v constant नहीं है, v is a function of x. Now dy by dx के प्लेस पे क्या आ गया बेटा, v plus x dv by dx is equal to y के प्लेस पे vx means v square x square minus x square upon 2x into vx. When I take x square common, v square minus 1 upon x square into 2v, x square से x square cancel. Now what I am doing here is v को मैं right hand side में transpose कर रहा हूँ, right? मैंने बोला था it will be converted into separable form. So v square minus 1 upon 2v minus v, right? Now I will take LCM. LCM will be 2v, v square minus 1 minus 2v square. So x into dv by dx is equal to minus of v square minus 1 upon 2v. Now what I will be doing here, the next step is x into dv is equal to minus 1 plus v square upon 2v into dx. Separable में convert करना है, means x will be with dx and this function of v will be with dv. So 2v numerator में आएगा and this will be in the denominator. So we have dx by x. Now you can see it is separate here. Left hand side complete v, right hand side complete x. When it is in variables of separable form, we'll integrate both sides. We'll integrate both sides. अब integration करेंगे, so you can see here, this is t, this is dt. नीचे t मानोगे ऊपर dt होगा ना? dt by t is what? Log t. dx by x is log x plus log log आ रहा है तो मैं भी log c ले लेता हूँ. What is log m minus log n? Log m upon n. Now I am taking anti-log. So log log will be cancelled out. We'll have 1 plus v square equal to c by x. अब हमारा क्वेश्चन x में था तो आंसर भी x में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. What we were having, y equal to vx is v equal to y by x. So v को रिप्लेस कर दो y by x से. Y square by x square equal to c by x. So LCM x square plus y square upon x square equal to c by x. एक x cancel. X square plus y square equal to cx. जनरली एक डाउट आता है सर व्हाई यू हैव टेकन log c, बेटा अकेला c लोगे तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, राइट। जनरली log आता है तो वी टेक log c, राइट। नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन इज कंप्लीट। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज x dy by dx equal to y minus x tan of y by x। now again the thing, it is homogeneous or not। मैंने बोला था ना tan के साथ y by x आ गया, so it will be homogeneous if you check also। so what I will do first, dy by dx, x को राइट में लेके आ, x से x कैंसिल हो जाएगा, इज इट क्लियर। और आप देखो y के प्लेस पे लैम्डा है, y x के प्लेस पे लैम्डा है, रिप्लेस करोगे सेम इट इज रहेगा, इट इज एन होमोजेनियस फंक्शन। व्हाट विल डू, विल पुट y by x equal to v, means y equal to vx, dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx। so we'll have v plus x dv by dx equal to v minus tan v। इससे भी क्या हो गया, कैंसिल, y dx है ना, y dx है तो x से x कैंसिल, v बचेगा आपका। so you have x dv by dx equal to minus tan v। I will separate tan v upon में dv by tan v equal to minus dx by x। we can say cot v into dv equal to minus dx by x। it is separated, will integrate both sides, right। will integrate both sides, so cot v का क्या होगा, log sin v, then this is minus of log x plus log c। so sin v, भाई log m minus log n, log m by n हो जाएगा, log से log कैंसिल हो जाएगा। now we'll put v by y by x equal to c by x। this is the angle, right। so this will be the answer। so next question from 2020, right। find the general solution of the differential equation। general solution of the differential equation is homogeneous or not, 2 plus 1 3 3 3 means it is an homogeneous। अभी हम लीनियर करेंगे तो आप देखोगे होमोजेनियस के पैटर्न में इक्वल पावर नहीं होगा, राइट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखोगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा। सो आई एम राइटिंग dy by dx, देखना बेटा ध्यान से, minus x cube plus y cube dy equal to minus x square by dx, minus से minus cancel, dy by dx equal to x square y upon x plus y cube। चेक करने का बोला नहीं है, सॉल्व करना है। so we'll directly put, क्या पुट करेंगे हम, putting y equal to vx dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx। so dy by dx के प्लेस पे v plus x dv by dx is equal to x square, y के प्लेस पे vx x cube plus v cube x cube। now x cube will be common, v plus x dv by dx is equal to v upon 1 plus v cube, v upon 1 plus v cube। now what we are going to do, we are right hand side transpose करेंगे, x into dv by dx equal to v upon 1 plus v cube minus v। we'll take LCM, x into dv by dx equal to v minus cross multiply, इधर करो multiply, minus v की power 4 upon 1 plus v cube। v से v क्या हो गया, cancel। now this 1 plus v cube राइट में, या तो रुको एक सेकेंड, x dv by dx equal to minus v की power 4 upon 1 plus v cube। now I am writing it variables in separable form। just pay attention here, 1 plus v cube मैंने लेफ्ट में लिया, तो v4 upon में into dv, this dx on the right hand side and x upon में सेपरेट हो गया, इंटीग्रेटिंग बोथ साइड। अब इंटीग्रेशन है, देखो ये क्वेश्चन लेंथी होता है इस इंटीग्रेशन में, यहाँ पे लेंथी हो जाएगा तो क्वेश्चन लेंथी हो जाएगा, नहीं तो क्वेश्चन इजी हो जाएगा। यहाँ पे मैंने क्वेश्चन ऐसे सिलेक्ट नहीं करे कि मुझे एक लेंथी लेना है एक कम लेंथी लेना है, आई जस्ट टेकन अ क्वेश्चन व्हिच बोर्ड इज आस्किंग, बोर्ड में जिस टाइप के क्वेश्चन पूछे जा रहे हैं वो मैंने लिए हैं, राइट। तो ये मत समझना सर आपने टफ क्वेश्चन लिया आपने आसान लिए, ये मोटिव ही नहीं है। मोटिव जो बोर्ड क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है, वैरायटीज पूछ रहा है, वो हमें पता चले 2018 2019, दिस इज फ्रॉम 2020 लेटेस्ट क्वेश्चंस है। सो v की पावर -4 हो गया बेटा, ये दिस इज v की पावर -4 का -4 + 1 अपॉन -4 + 1 1/v का log v इक्वल टू -log x + c। अब कुछ नहीं, अब अच्छा c को आप log c ले सकते हैं, मैंने बोला सी लो या लॉग सी लो, आपकी मर्जी है। Now you just put v equal to y by x and you will get the answer. So that's all from this homogeneous equation. 3 क्वेश्चंस लिए हैं मैंने। अगर आपको लगता है कि सर टेक these questions, please write on the comment box. I will be definitely solving on later on video. Right?